everyone, hope you all had a good half term. Today we're going to be making you guys some noodles with some sausages and veg, and I'm going to just pour the noodles into the bowl. And then after that we're going to do some cutting of the peppers. Add a little bit of onions, sweet peppers, some tomatoes, and then you get a grown up to do the bits on the stove for you. And that's called a quick lunch. Put the hot water into the noodles and leave it to set for about 5 minutes. You get a grown up to do this bit. And we both finish. Right. When all finished cut up, you then get a grown up to do the other bit, which I'm going to do now. So we're going to go to transfer the stuff into the pot and give it a little flavor to the noodles. Then the grown up will fry up the sausages for a little 2 quick minutes. We're going to throw in the veg. Then mix it up together. Leave it to bubble up for a little 2 minutes. And then we pour the noodles in. We add a little bit of spices to it to give it some flavor. Noodles. You mix it, and then after you get a little bit of flavor, a little bit of color in the noodles, you can just take it off and then voila, enjoy.